Today I'm going to show you the Seesaw family app. There's 3 parts to the family app: the home, journals, and the inbox. This is the home part. This is where you'll see what your kids posted on Seesaw. To see each journal, click here. Look and see what your children did by looking in their journals. You can add another journal here. Like if you have a lot more kids. To send a message to your child's teacher, click on the inbox. Here is where your child's teacher can text you about field trips, Grandparents' Day, and what your child has done. To change things on your account, click on your name in the corner. Click here to change your information. Do you want to know when your child does something in Seesaw? Click on the notifications. You can get an email or a text message or on the number on your Seesaw app. Download the Seesaw family app today.